Today we'll be opening a Tesla's charging port using a Flipper Zero, as you can see.
So we have this and we're just going to go and look for Tesla. Yeah, so while we're trying to find a Tesla, let's talk about the Flipper Zero.
So this Flipper Zero here, this device can sort of like, it's like a hacking tool. You can do pretty much anything. You can hack Wi-Fi passwords with it, but you need the Wi-Fi module for that. And look, there's a Tesla!
Oh, yep, Tesla, alright, look.
Okay.
Let's go.
So you go there, you hold that middle button there, you hold it, and there it opens!
Yeah, we just opened it. Alright, well, anyway, I'll close that.